Well, this is Project Base. We are here. It just started pouring rain. This is the interior, much improved. The cannery keeps water very cold. New this year we have a filter cleaning system. Some of it will arrive soon with the battery that's charged by a solar panel. And we suspect he got caught in the rain. It is almost 3 o'clock here. I had some coffee and bread early this morning. This is the collapsed, some kind of zombie, I don't know what it is, voodoo house. Jean-Claude from Mont-Reynaud was supposed to clear the debris. This is just a little rain. It's not a hurricane. We are tempted to let sleeping dogs lie. There are actually some tomatoes growing, and the flower garden is really a cheering sight. It was nothing last summer. Another little tulip. This has been nicely maintained. Thomas' idea of decorative design. Madame Carolise is picking up something. Oui, peut-être maï moulin, maï boucané encore.
Mettre boucanez-vous?
Oui, oui. Et pour vous-même tout.
Oui.
Parce que, oui, un grand goût. Nous commençons un grand goût. Oui.
Oh dear, that was serious.
We never had a cookhouse, and that's okay. I'm really glad Madame Carolise is here. She's been living here all year. I'm very happy to have her. Settling in. More handmade quiche. They keep the water nicely cold, and it has been treated with chlorine. Bienvenue en Haiti. It's cool, actually. Very pleasant. Much better than McDonough, Georgia, or Cranston, Rhode Island, let me tell you.